So in chromatic coloring, the main goal is to find the least amount of colors you can use on a graph. And how you do that is every point that is touching one another cannot be two of the same or cannot be the same color. So on the first example here, our starting point would be blue, and these next two points can be green because it's not blue. This next point here can be blue because it's not touching the top blue, and this point here has to be red. It can't be blue because it can't be green because it's touching green. It can't be blue because it's touching blue, so it has to be a new color. And this side color can be blue because it's not touching blue. It could be red, but for simplicity's sake, we're going to keep it as blue.
Previous example, as we talked about, we did this for a shape. But what about a circle? Well, when it comes to a circle, which it being so tightly bonded, we got to make sure that we pay attention. So for example, blue is right here and it connects to these lines. So therefore, these cannot be blue or else they would be the same. So that's why we put here black or any color you like, and then green respectfully. Now, once it comes to the middle, there's a whole bunch of lines connected to it. I mean, look at all these lines connected to it. So which color is there to be? Well, that's when you have to add a new color to make sure that nothing connects. We're gonna make sure that two colors do not connect at the same time, and to make sure that there are two different colors going on. So if we were to solve this as a math problem with the amount of chromatic numbers we have about 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer problem would be 4 chromatic numbers.
For the last example we're going to show is a 2 chromatic number. So this little diamond shape here, we started with a green color, and either of the two lines connecting to it can't be green, so we're going to make them blue. You can make it any color. And then this bottom part can be green as well. So that's all the examples that we're showing. We showed an example of a 2, a 3, and a 4. The shape doesn't matter, it's just the principle. Like I kind of just made the Big Dipper or a shopping cart or whatever you want to call it. But the main point is that points that are connecting cannot be the same color.